Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jan. In today's video, we are going to see about my mom's kitchen. This is not a fancy kitchen, very normal kitchen built long years ago. Let's get into this video. Hello friends, welcome back. This is my mom's kitchen. It's a very simple and non-modular kitchen. It doesn't have any cabinets. It has all open shelves. My mom organized this kitchen with simple organizers and made it very functional. I have done some more modifications to make it more functional. Let's see what I have done. To begin with, I labeled all the silver containers. I have made labels with what is available at home. For labels here, I have used a black chart paper. At times I could see my mom find some difficulty in finding out the stuff which is inside the silver containers. So to make her life easy, I have decided to label all the silver containers here. Cutting the black chart into small pieces, and I'm going to write down the kitchen items which is inside the silver container using a white color pencil. After writing down the items onto the labels, I'm going to paste all these labels using a cello tape onto the silver containers. I have sticked all the labels onto the silver container which is on the top row. Now my mom can easily identify the items which is there inside these silver containers. No cost labels are best suited for these silver containers. Labeling will surely save a lot of time in kitchen. Here on the first container she has wheat flour followed by basmati rice. Semia, rava is there, all dals are there, jaggery is there, fryams is there, red chilli, rice flour, tamarind and some more fryams are there. That's it about this top shelf. Let's move on to the next shelf and see what she has. For all the shelves there are liners. These liners are made from dining table covers. In the corner of the shelf we have all accessories of the mixer grinder. The mixer grinder is from Prestige. To make it easy, we have kept all the accessories of this mixer grinder in this tray. Along with this, we have one vegetable chopper, followed by 3 long containers for keeping miscellaneous items. Then there are serving bowls. Few are stacked and most of the serving bowls are kept along with the lids. I used to stack the bowls and keep the lids separately, but my mom preferred the other way. She always keeps the serving bowls along with its respective lids for easy access. That's it about this second shelf. Let's move on to the next shelf. This shelf holds all the masalas and spices. On one side of the corner, there is a masala box. Most of you know about this masala box. It is a partitioned masala box. Small containers are kept in a single container for easy access. One box is just kept empty. She didn't fill anything on it. Let's see the next box. Here in this box, she has all biryani masalas. And in the next box, she keeps all frequently used spices. That's it about this masala container. Let's move on to the next section. Next, she has a simple plastic 2-tier shelf which is available everywhere, which holds all long glasses and frequently used ceramic cups. Next you could see 2-tier plastic shelf. This is actually a 4-tier shelf from Nilkamal. I have sectioned it into 2 for easy access. This shelf holds masalas which is kept it in transparent containers. Next to this, salt are kept in glass containers. And there is a big bottle of ghee. Some of the ghee bottles are reused for rarely used stuff. On the top shelf, there are pulses kept it in transparent containers. These containers have silver lids and which gives some good look. Let's see the next shelf. Here there are frequently used masalas like turmeric powder, chili powder. There are some more pulses and spices kept it on a silver container which has a transparent see-through lid which helps in identifying what is there inside the container. On top of this shelf, there are some more pulses. That's it about this shelf. This shelf is also lined with dining table cover. These liners are washable, and if you spill anything by mistake, you can easily wipe it off. Instead of buying costly cabinet liners, we can make our own liners with table covers. Let's see the next shelf. This shelf holds all cookwares and especially the bigger ones. Down below this shelf, there is a 3-tier plastic rack which is best suitable for keeping onions and garlics. We used to keep coconuts as well here. Next to this is a plate holder. It is a very simple steel plate holder. We have used this holder to keep all the dosa tawa, appam tawa, paniyaram tawa. I will provide the Amazon buying link of this plate holder. Next to this we have rice, kept it in good quality plastic containers. One is the normal rice and next one is the idli rice and the smaller one holds raw rice. There is a big silver container to hold all extra provisions. Next to this is a coconut grater. That's it about these open shelves. There is one more extension to the third shelf. This shelf holds all storage boxes and storage containers. That's it about all the shelves in this kitchen. Now let's see what are all there in the countertop, and also we'll see the wall organizers. There is a mixer grinder, kept it on a fridge mat, and there is a normal plate holder which can be mounted onto the wall. This has 2 sections to hold big plates and small plates. As the countertop is very small, we have not kept much items onto the countertop. Just kept frequently used items on the countertop. Down below the plate holder, there is a coffee maker and a silver spoon holder. This coffee maker and spoon holder are kept it on a coaster which came along as a combo with fridge mats. Next to this, there is a 2-tier plastic shelf which holds all the oil containers. First shelf holds all the oil containers. In the second shelf, there is a thin, long basket which holds the scissors and cooker whistles. There is a traditional oil spiller, and next to that, there is a lemon squeezer. Backside of the stove top onto the wall, there is a simple spoon and ladle holder. This is the best spoon holder which holds the different sizes of spoons and ladles. And there is a normal sink. And there is a 3-burner stove top from Sunflame, which is made of tempered glass. This is one of the best stove top, I would say. This is the one I was using before I moved into my new home. After moving to the new home, I have given this to my mom and it's still working really well. There is a pot with water on a stool, and down to the sink there is a grinder. That's it about my mom's simple kitchen. Very simple but very functional kitchen. Hope you can get some organizing ideas from this video, and most of the ideas are rental friendly. All these organizers can be dismantled easily and can be shifted anywhere. Hope this video is useful. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until that, it's Jan signing off. Take care. Bye bye guys.